Hey, my name is Stewart Fitzell. I'm from Dublin, Ireland, and I'm an eToro popular investor and certified wealth and investment manager. In this video, I will give a short introduction to my life so far, why I started to invest, a little bit about my investing philosophy, and where I intend to go with this channel. So I grew up in Dublin in Ireland, South County Dublin, and from a young age I've always wanted a bit further in life. I'm a very curious person, and I like to know not just how things happen, but why. As a boy, between playing Gaelic football in my local club, 𝙇𝙤𝙤, and swimming, I was inventing things with my friend David. After many failed gadgets, we eventually founded an online tourism website for Dublin. From the age of 16, running this website, we were invited to meetings to make deals with business people, and they didn't quite know what to expect from two young boys whose business was set up in their parents' study. What I learned from this was that financial freedom is possible, and when I was in university, this meant that I didn't need to work a part-time job because I was my own boss. I first became interested in stocks and shares when my business partner, David, launched another website called The Share Game. It was an online game where you could trade the stock market with fake money, virtual money. And since buying my first stock in real life at 16, I haven't looked back. Well, I had this itch for curiosity, financial freedom and innovation. On the other side, I had another, and that was to serve my country by being an army officer. So I've spent the last 22 years in the Irish Army, and of that the last 17 years I've been as a professional soldier and officer. It's been an incredible experience. I've been really fortunate to have done so many fulfilling things. In training and operations, I've made friends for life. The Army's instilled in me a sense of discipline, focus, patience, and attention to detail and analysis. All skills which are critical to investing. Military service brought me to many countries, but it was peacekeeping missions in Lebanon and Syria and supporting Ukraine in the European Union mission that has brought me the most fulfillment. My life so far has not been without adversity. Challenges from various places, but the most difficult challenge I ever had was in 2014. That was to recover from a very severe accident. So unfortunately in September 2014, I had an accident on a routine skydive. The parachute malfunctioned and I landed hard, finding myself in a life-threatening situation. And as a result of it, I had a broken back. Recovering for this was the hardest physical and mental challenge of my life so far, but it was the mental resilience that I forged with my friends in the Army that brought me through it. So, while in the Army dealing with these challenges, I was also investing on the side. The tourism business I kept going into the Army, eventually stepped away from that to focus more on my career in the Army, but I was investing on the side as well. So I started that, as I said, at age 16. I've experienced multiple market cycles, have made mistakes, and I believe that each of those mistakes I've been able to learn from them. I've invested in property, bonds, cash, stocks, cryptocurrency, investment funds, venture capital funds, and exchange traded funds, or ETFs. The reason I decided to become a popular investor on the trading platform eToro is because I knew the mistakes that people could make when investing, and I wanted to help those people to avoid those mistakes. My intention with this YouTube channel is to encourage more people to join me on this journey of investing and to help them find the path to financial freedom. So that's a short video about me and my life so far. Please feel to reach out on my socials, they'll be in the description below, or via my website, 𝙤𝙤𝙫𝙤𝙪 investor.com. That's defense with a S. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. I wish you a peaceful and prosperous day, and look forward to making many videos to help you on your financial journey.